Hi everyone, this is Dr. Mata Tara Lee. I'm a relationship counselor and clinical sexologist. So once again, in a previous video, I talked about my mid-autumn gifts from One Condom, and I'm just doing this once again, showing you the beautiful box of 4 condoms that it came with, and I've only left with one. So what happens with this condom box is that there's a lid. You just lift it and there will be 6 different condoms inside. So they are actually having different designs, however they are actually all the same condom of ZeroThin, their latest condom that they have. So it's really good to put your condoms in a condom box because it helps to ensure that your condoms do not have unnecessary friction. It will compromise the quality of the condom. So from what I understand is that this particular mid-autumn packaging is really special, so they're not really selling it. So I'm very happy to have received the box. And but this is available in Malaysia, so you can go to Shopee Malaysia and be able to get this special packaging. So there are 6 inside, and the condom inside is called ZeroThin. So what I wanted to do is to do a special video just on how it looks and feels. So here I have glass, and so in putting on a condom, push it to the side, check the expiry date, and then peel it very gently. Do not damage the condom in any way, and pinch the tip, make sure it's the right side, and then very slowly roll down, making sure that you do not accidentally use your nails. So definitely very thin. And do check out their packaging and their latest condom called ZeroThin. So this has been Dr. Mata Tara Lee sharing with you a little bit about OneCondom ZeroThin. I'm not paid to do this, but I feel it's really important to educate as many people as I can about the different options out there. It's important to have safer sex. It's important to take care of your body, your mental health, your emotional health. And having safer sex definitely allows us to have a better experience and to feel relaxed, happy, and comfortable. So please like, share, subscribe, and you can also go to my website eroscoaching.com and subscribe to my mailing list.